Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential function context and data modeling. Let's solve it together. An educational platform tracks the number of enrollments each month after launching a new course series. Which function best models this trend? And the t values are in months, 0 through 4, and ET is the number of enrollments, and 200 is given, and it's from 200 to 571. So the best strategy would be to solving this question is just giving data, and you can just substitute the given data into given functions. So we're going to substitute 0 for the x in the first time. When I substitute 0 for not x, this is t in the variable, so we'll just substitute 0 for the t. 60 times 0 is 0, plus 200 gives you 200. So 1.3 to the power of 0 is 1, times 200 is still 200. 260 times 0 is 0. So this choice C is eliminated, because when I substitute 0 for t, we're supposed to get 200. 1.5 to the power of 0 is 1, times 200 is still 200. So we tried 0. Let's try the second value, which is 1 in this case. So when I substitute 1, I'm supposed to get 260 for the enrollment numbers. So 1.3 to the power of 1 is 1.3, times 200 is going to give you 260. I start from the choice B, but let me do choice A as well. So 60 times 1 is 60, plus 200 is still 260. And the choice D, 1.5 to the power of 1 is 1.5, times 200 is 300, so which is not 260. Therefore, I can go ahead and eliminate the choice D as well. So let's try another value. In this case, let's use 2, because I have 2 still choices to eliminate from A and B. So when I substitute 2 for the t, I'm supposed to get 338. So when I substitute 3 for t in choice A, 60 times 3 is 180, plus 200. So that's going to give you 380, not 338. Therefore, A will not be the answer. And 1.3 to the power of 2 times 200 will give you 338 when you do the calculations. So therefore, the correct answer is choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.